Good morning, students. Class 6 Science, and today's our new chapter Motion and Measurement of Distances. Do you know a ruler scale is used to measure a line segment? SI units meter, kilogram, second, Kelvin. Type of motion translatory, periodic, rotational, oscillatory, and vibratory. Story of transport. Long time ago people went from one place to another by the foot. That was the only the way which people traveled. Later when the horse and camels were tamed, they were used to reach far away places. Over the period of time people learned to make a canoes. It is the small boat made from the single trunk. It was used to traveling across the river. The larger boat is made up of travel to by the sea routes. The invention of wheel brought about to the great change to mode of the transport. Horses, bullocks and camels were used to pull cart and move on the wheels. As time passed by, the last ship which is sail were built till the early 19th century. They were the main mode of transport through the sea routes. The 19th century saw the great advance in the transportation. Good routes are built and the buses began to operating. By 1850, railway routes were laid in the England, and 1819 car were on the roads. By the 1920, aeroplanes were carrying the passenger. Today, air travel or the super fast electric train are popular mode of the transport. तो स्टोरी ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट में सबसे पहले ये जानिए कि पहले लोग पैदल ही यात्रा करते थे, फिर बाद में उन्होंने एक कुछ जो है हार्स से या कैमल से यात्रा की कुछ ज़्यादा दूर जाने के लिए। फिर कुछ समय बीता, फिर वो लोग कैनोस का यूज किए। कैनोस एक छोटी सी बोट होती थी जो नदी से एक इस पार से उस पार ले जाती थी। फिर लार्जर बोट यूज हुए सी रूट्स पे। फिर धीरे धीरे व्हील का इन्वेंशन हुआ। व्हील इन्वेंशन होने के बाद ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में हार्स, बुलक कार्ट्स, कैमल्स कार्ट को पुल करने के लिए यूज होने लगे। एट द टाइम पास, धीरे धीरे टाइम पास हुआ 19th सेंचुरी में। मेन मोड जो था ट्रांसपोर्ट का रूट सी रूट था। फिर 19th सेंचुरी में और ट्रांसपोर्टेशन एडवांस हुआ। फिर ज़्यादा जो है रोड्स अच्छी बन गई, बसेस भी चलने लगी। बाई 1850 रेलवे रूट्स तैयार हुआ इंग्लैंड में चलने के लिए। फिर 1819 में कार भी रोड्स पर आ गई। 1920 में एरोप्लेन से लोगों पैसेंजर जाने लगे। फिर आज जो है मतलब फास्टेस्ट सुपर फास्ट इलेक्ट्रिक ट्रेन और एयर ट्रेवल पॉपुलर मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन बन गया है। Importance of accurate measurement. The following passages give say the idea to how much we have progressed. One day early in the morning, a few people began to journey to nearby the coastal village in a boat. One of the men asked to the boatman how long it would take to reach the village. अरे replied to, if the wind is favorable you are reached before the sun is above the palm trees. Long ago this is how people must to travel to keep to track of time. Today we have many accurate measurement of the measure time, distance, mass, volume and temperature. Accurate measurement have to become a part of our life. Look at your classroom and its door and windows. These are the results to accurate measurement. Did you know long ago people used to part of body measurement things? Inch was bit of thumb से नापा जाता था इंच. Foot is the length of heel, big toe of the person. A yard is used to distance top of nose to the top of the palm of stretch hand. एंड द मेथड मेजरमेंट विल नॉट बी एक्यूरेट, लेकिन ये मेथड एक्यूरेट नहीं था। थैंक यू स्टूडेंट।